Hello everyone, welcome to the Masters Academy. For online courses, contact us through WhatsApp. Also, we are having social media pages in Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook in the name of Masters Academy 19. To get instant notification, press the bell button and subscribe the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about first order differential equations with previous year questions. In the subject of engineering mathematics, it is common for all the branches. In the first order differential equations, there are two types. Differential equations with r which is equal to 0 and differential equations with r which is equal to variable. Here, r which is equal to variable category we are going to discuss. The general form of first order differential equation is, there are in the r which is equal to variable category, there are two types. First one, dy divided by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Here p and q are the variables. Solution of above equation is given by y into e power integral of p into dx is equal to integral of q into e power p into dx into dx. This is the general formula for the first order differential equations when solution of the equation is y. Now second one, the solution of the equation is x, then differential equation should be like this: dy divided by dx, first one. Second one, dx divided by dy plus p into x is equal to q. Here p and q are the variables. Here solution to the given equation is x. So solution of the above equation with formula is given by x into e power integral of p dy is equal to integral of q into e power integral p dy into dy. When solution is y, so the equation should be like this: dy divided by dx. When solution is x, the equation should be dx divided by dy. So when solution is y, in e power p into dx. When solution is x, e power here dy, p into dy. When solution is y, we are integrating with respect to here x. When solution is x, we are integrating with respect to dy. Now we are going to discuss first problem. It's a GATE 2016 1 mark question. Solution of the differential equation is dy divided by dx plus 2 into x into y is equal to e power minus x square with y of 0 is equal to 1 is. Now here dy divided by dx plus p into y is equal to q format, because here dy divided by dx, so y is the solution of the given differential equation. So we need to identify value of y from the given differential equation. Now compare this general equation with the given equation. So here 2x is equal to p, e power minus x square is equal to q, p is equal to 2x, q is equal to e power minus x square. Now we know the general formula for the, when the solution is y, y into e power integral of p dx is equal to integral of q into e power integral p dx into dx. Instead of p, we are going to substitute 2x. Instead of q, e power minus x square. Now substitute. So the p is replaced by here 2x on the both LHS as plus RHS, and q is replaced by e power minus x square. E power minus x square. Now integrate the 2x into dx. When you are integrating 2x, it is equal to the x square, because x power n integration is equal to the x power n plus 1 divided by 1. So 2 into x square divided by 2, 2 cancel, the remaining thing x square is equal to integral of e power minus x square. So into e power integral 2x into dx is given it as e power x square. Now e power minus x square into e power plus x square is equal to e power 0. So e power 0 is equal to 1. Y into e power x square is equal to integral of dx. We are integrating dx x plus c, a general constant c. The solution y is given by y is equal to x plus c divided by e power x square. We know the boundary condition y of 0 is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So we have to substitute this boundary condition into the solution to identify the constant value c. When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. So when you are substituting x is equal to 0, here e power 0. So c is equal to 1. Here substitute c is equal to 1 in this equation. So x plus 1 divided by e power x square. We are taking e power x square to the numerator from denominator. So e power minus x square. So y is equal to 1 plus x into e power minus x square is the solution for the given equation. So option B is the correct answer for the given one. Next one, we are going to discuss about RHS equal to 0 category. Solution of the differential equation dy divided by dx plus y square is equal to 0 is. What about the solution? So GATE 2003 question. Here we know that, so we have to separate separately. RHS equal to 0 condition. Now x and y values are taken into the different side, LHS and RHS. Now dy divided by dx is equal to minus y square. Now y square is taken into the denominator and dx is taken into the RHS side. So minus 1 divided by y square into dy is equal to dx. To identify the solution y, integrate on both sides. When you are integrating it, minus of y square is taken into the numerator. So y power minus 2 into dy is equal to integral of dx. Now we know that x power n integration x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So the same formula, y power minus 2 integration minus of y power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So here minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1, minus and minus plus. So y power minus 1 is equal to the integral of dx is equal to x plus general constant c. So y power minus 1 given it as 1 divided by y. When you are taking the y power minus 1 into the denominator, y power plus 1 is equal to x plus d, x plus c. Y is equal to, now take the y into the RHS side and x plus c into the LHS side. So y is equal to 1 divided by x plus c is the solution for the given equation. So option A is the given equation. Follow the Masters Academy, the Telegram, Instagram and Facebook, the name of Masters Academy 19, and kindly subscribe the channel